The next category was the most tough and whatever. Minister of the Year. We had to exclude our own minister. But the Minister of the Year,
and that's why it was that tough, because we excluded,
was very tough. You had Wale Edu doing reforms, Festus Keyamo sorting out aviation, Lumidi Ojo sorting out immigration and passports, Mohammed Ali Pate sorting out healthcare, and Nyesom Wike sorting out infrastructure. After a major debate, which I abstained, the winner is Nyesom Wike.
the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory.
He met the criteria of the man who is tough and resilient, like his boss. Tough and resilient. Rebuilding the inner cities of Abuja, taking roads across Abuja, also handling politics and ensuring there is no serious opposition to his boss. So we invite a round of applause for Nyesom Wike. He's accompanied by governors and governors.
Maybe you come this way. Come this way.
I'll give you an award.
Thank you. Thank you very much. This is a very special one. It is not often that you have been asked to present an award to someone who is not just your colleague in the cabinet, but someone who is a very hardworking, loyal friend like Nyesom Wike. I know that you will get the microphone, and I know that Nigerians watching, those who are here and those who are around the world watching this, will want to hear what you say after this award. But I'm lucky that even though I didn't win this award, I have this distinct honor and privilege to present this award to one of our very best, the Minister of the FCT. And you can see from the array of people who have come here to accompany him to receive this award today. Many former governors, many senators, many people. I can't even count them here. This is unprecedented, and I feel really happy to be the one doing this evening. So on behalf of this day and Arise Television, I have this very distinct honor and privilege to present this award to the best Minister of the Year, presented to him by no other person than Mohammed Idris, representing our own Oga, all of us here. Congratulations, my brother. Congratulations, Your Excellency, the FCT Minister. Thank you. You may now say a few words.
Thank you. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the chairman of this generalizer said that this is the most difficult. It's not. It is the most difficult for this day and Arise News. For Nigerians, it's not. Of course, it's difficult because I don't think there's any minister, any public officer that have been taken on the way this day and Arise. Every morning, you turn on to a television, as far as Arise is concerned, it's FCT. Even presidential chat is FCT. So that is why it's difficult. But I thank God Nigerians have made it. Let me use this opportunity to say, Mr. Ndukairebo and your team, you have shown that you are not biased, even though we may be quarreling, even though you may not have paid your grand rent, but you still have to do the right thing. Otherwise, Nigerians would have said, this is partial. But you've done the right thing. I'm sure everybody here is happy that I emerged as the Minister of the Year. Even my friend here will attest to the fact that he's also very happy that I won. But it is for everybody. I thank Mr. President for giving us the opportunity. If the President did not give us the opportunity, we may not be here to contribute the little we have contributed. And I want to thank all Nigerians, particularly those who reside in Abuja and carry on their businesses in Abuja, that this year, 2025, we'll see more development, we'll see more infrastructure, and that's what is basic for us. We have no time for excuses. No, the time for excuses are gone. This is the whole thing of the Renewed Hope agenda. I thank Nigerians who are here. If you look at it, it's not just Rivers people. It's Nigerians that are here. From Akwa Ibom down to Edo to Delta, Delta to Cross River to Rivers. I don't want to go to this other side. So I will say that I'm looking for something. Let me stay where I am. But I'm looking for something. So I thank you, and I can assure you that we'll continue to do better. Thank you, and God bless you.
Minister of the Year, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much, Excellency.
Mr. Nyesom Wike and half of Nigeria stage. Thank you.